Top 3 reasons to test out the Boston Whaler 325 Conquest for dual-purpose boating. Boston Whaler, established in 1958, has long been a leader in the maritime industry, known for building boats that are both versatile and exceptionally durable. The company's pioneering unsinkable hull design set a new standard in boating, earning widespread acclaim for its innovation and top-tier performance. However, like many in the industry, the Boston Whaler Company has faced challenges, including rising production costs, supply chain disruptions, and increased competition in the boating market. Despite these hurdles, the brand continues to thrive, with models like the 325 Conquest justifying its premium price tag through exceptional fishing features and premium cruising amenities. Tune in as we uncover why the Boston Whaler 325 Conquest is a prime option for your next boating investment. Welcome to Harbour Masters, your regular dose of information and updates on the latest boats and the best luxury yachts. Reason 1. Unbeaten versatility for various uses. The Boston Whaler 325 Conquest distinguishes itself as a versatile dual-purpose craft, equally suited for tackling offshore fishing excursions and providing a smooth, comfortable ride for leisurely cruising. The design of this vessel strikes perfectly between rugged durability and comfort, ensuring that it excels in various maritime activities. The cockpit is carefully designed for maximum functionality, featuring abundant storage, a spacious live-well, and strategically positioned rod holders, so you're fully equipped for every fishing outing. The cabin below deck provides a refined living space with all the amenities you need, from a full head with shower to a well-appointed galley, making it convenient for overnight trips or weekend excursions. What sets the Boston Whaler apart in this dual-purpose category is its patented unsinkable hull design. As one of the cornerstones of Boston Whaler's legacy, this innovation ensures that the 325 Conquest is not only safe, but also capable of handling rough waters with confidence. The balance of luxury and practicality in the 325 Conquest makes it an ideal choice for individuals seeking a vessel that meets the demands of both sport and leisure without compromise. Reason 2. Superior handling and comfort. Handling and passenger comfort are crucial considerations when choosing a boat for both recreational cruising and competitive fishing. The 325 Conquest stands out in this regard, driven by its refined engineering and optimal design. With a deep V-hull and a 20-degree dead rise, this boat glides effortlessly over waves, even in more challenging sea conditions. Its beam provides steadiness, providing comfort while cruising and reducing roll, which is particularly beneficial when spending long hours at sea. The ergonomic helm station and user-friendly controls deliver a highly responsive driving experience, whether you're navigating narrow marina spaces or exploring open waters. The 325 Conquest is also equipped with a range of features designed to maximize comfort, artfully fusing indulgence with efficiency for every journey. The cockpit features roomy seating that harmoniously fuses ergonomics with functionality, providing a relaxed and pleasurable experience for passengers. The cabin area offers plush accommodations with premium materials and thoughtful touches that elevate its interior layout. From the plush V-berth to the convenient wet bar, every detail is crafted to guarantee that your time aboard is action-packed but effortless. The integration of stylish lighting, superior airflow, and cutting-edge amenities cultivates a hospitable setting, ensuring an exciting yet stress-free experience aboard. Before we move on to our top choice, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share some of your boating stories and adventures down below. Reason 3. High-performance specifications. When it comes to technical specifications, the Boston Whaler 325 Conquest is built to impress. Powered by twin Mercury 350 Verado engines, this boat boasts a maximum horsepower of 800, enabling it to reach speeds of up to 42 knots or 48 miles per hour. This power allows for quick acceleration, efficient cruising, and the capacity to navigate through various water conditions with ease. The 325 Conquest's advanced gyro stabilizer technology further strengthens its handling, providing additional sturdiness and control, even during high-speed maneuvers or when tackling rough seas. Beyond its performance, the 325 Conquest is engineered for endurance. With a fuel capacity of 300 gallons or 1,135 liters, this boat offers a range of over 300 nautical miles or 556 kilometers, allowing for longer excursions without refueling. Its 46-gallon or 174-liter water tank provides ample fresh water for extended trips. A 32 feet 3 inches or 9.83 meters in length, with a beam of 10 feet 8 inches or 3.25 meters, and a dry weight of 10,500 pounds or 4,762 kilograms. The Boston Whaler 325 Conquest delivers stability and performance. It successfully integrates robust power, long-range capability, and fuel efficiency, making it an outstanding investment in your boating adventures with a starting price of around $480,000 US. Ultimately, the Boston Whaler 325 Conquest is a sound choice that brings together strong performance, comfort, and safety, making it ideal for those seeking a dependable and rewarding boat for any cruising adventure. What do you think of these features? Share your thoughts with us in the comments below. How do you envision using the 325 Conquest in your own boating trips? Have you remembered to subscribe to our channel for exclusive insights and updates? If not, hit subscribe. Feel free to share our videos with fellow boating enthusiasts who would love an inside look at the latest boats and luxury yachts. See you in the next episode, and as always, smooth sailing!